Now, set up. Blade way to go, and blade way to go, and one more to go. Yeah.
Let's hold it. McDonald's Happy Meals. All it's his timer. And now, I bring it up. Kangaroo. That kangaroo's up. And then into the baby kangaroo that's here. They mountain goats. And legends stop following the legend. For you did it in the nigger started by Shane. His name is Rudolph Square. It is Beaver. What beavers you have here? The beavers loves good help. Who's here this? Is Bubba's shoes.
Yo! You said that? Let me out! Let me out! Yeah, let me out! You stop it like that! Let me out! Let me out! No, I need the kangaroo! Stop! Stop! No, you can't get it. The kangaroo stop, but the situation stop. The nigger stop, but the kangaroo. Hey, stop! You can't dare! You can't do like that! You can't be like that! You can't be like this! No! Stop! Wait! Wait! No, I mean inside the nose. Wait, I'm about to know. Oh, come on, man. You better stop it there. You can't stop it. You can't run it. Don't stop it. Oh, wait, get out of here. Wait, you better get out of here. You're fucking like they gave a one more chance. Nigger. You better have a chance now. Where in this tent is nearby? No one candy nearby. I'll go with someone else's skill ones in this. What? The board tricks us. It's bullshit. You can't be board tricks. I told you to stop causing nigger day every day. Nigger, what's wrong with you? My favorite. Where can buy in an app store? Worse than iron Lucky Charms. Lucky Charms sound Lucky Charms, so Lucky Charms.
Come on, nigger, that's right. You go second out the ball. Come on.
Dear Lucky Charms, it's a Lucky Charms. Back to the Lucky Charms. Dear Lucky Charms, I need for help. They were Lucky Charms, but they were for having to get it, what to get done. Man, I know that is singing that the work fucking kind for right away. I can nigger see you all far. I'll show you what I told you. You father did to you. No, I swear to go and there I go. I could baby say goodbye. It says straight right here. Nigger, stop by. You say goodbye. Here we go. Reach out now. Okay. You don't I was nothing to the head. I don't care about baby. I don't care about baby. I don't care about baby. I can 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 care about babies. Can't do my nigger babies. Freeze. I just looking for the night suit on camera right now. I need a second right now. This is a second night. Guys, something weird's happening. Oh no. No, wait, that in a second. No. Uh-oh. You gotta be kidding me. You fucking nigger kidding me. You got big balls kidding me. You gotta kill me. Big gay balls, you gotta kill me. Why? Okay, one second. I gotta get the baby. I gotta get the baby. I gotta get the baby. Oh, my nails last on something. This could be the comic tracks. Hello? Hello?
I get this, Rudolph. What you doing here?
They gotta get out of here. Now we're gonna get out of here. I had that more than that. I had more time. I had more than time. You get it?
Nigger, try the bus. Ain't got a nigger not to try the bus.
Shut up, Nigger Crow. You got to your second one more chance. I'm gonna break his hand.
Nigger, try the bus so you get to tricky yes and try the bus. Nigger, try the buses. You don't understand, dude. I tell you, nigger fins.
No, they didn't. No.
Says who they want.
No, they didn't.
Let's come on now. Here we go to the second ball. Oh, your second incident sentence. What I capable no yes in your belly, nigger.
No, nigger. I'm about to just. No, why would you do that? Stop! Why you do it? Why you do that? Nobody do that. No, you didn't. No, you didn't get it. No. That's bad smooth. Hello? Excuse me. Why do you scream so loud to the door? Can you help me? This stupid bitch is strange or something. Nigger. Hello? Why you call my name? It just disappeared. Why did you disappear at? I got covered at you. The end. Why you talking to you to collection? Why you talking to you to look at it? Oh, nice. Oh, big gay balls. I don't want to know, nigger.